Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Fold 5 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. You need to begin by selecting your, for example, messages to access Samsung keyboard. Now click on the microphone icon located at the top. If you can't see it, tap on this gear instead. Scroll down and select voice input located under custom symbols. Now to turn on voice typing, click on one of those voice input options. Samsung or Google one. I will go with Google, so when I click and go back, I can see that microphone icon is now visible. To start typing, click on it and start talking. When you're ready, click on this microphone icon to pause or unpause. If you want to go back, pause your voice typing and then select this arrow at the top left corner of your keyboard. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!